You're thinking about investing in stocks, then you're watching the perfect video. I've got the lowdown on 10 things you absolutely have to know before you get started. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, these tips are like a secret handshake for navigating the market. You know, the stock market can be a bit like a roller coaster. Exciting, a little nerve-wracking, but definitely worth the ride. I'm not diving into complex theories here. I'm keeping it real and simple by telling you the 10 things that I wish I knew when I first started my investing journey. Now, when it comes to taking control of your finances and investing in anything, whether it's real estate or stocks, you need to build a strong and positive mindset. To build up this mindset, I've personally been using this ingenious billionaire brainwave program backed by neuroscientists that rewires your brain so that you become a stronger, more positive person who attracts money and goodness. I've put the link to this program in the description so you can learn more about it. Click on the first link in the description to check it out. Number 1. This is the first of 10 things I wish someone had told me before I started investing. And it's like one of the golden rules of investing. You can actually see what the big shot investors are buying and selling every quarter. It's like peeking into the playbook of the investment gods. I'm not saying copy them blindly, but it's a brilliant way to build a watch list and then do your own digging. There are cool websites like Dataroma and Whale Wisdom that lay it all out for you. Trust me, this is a game changer. You can keep track of stock picks and portfolios of legendary value investors like Warren Buffett. So, keep track of investors you aspire to be like and learn from their moves. Number 2. This might be a real wake-up call for you, as it was for me. Day trading doesn't work. Teenage me, oh boy, I thought I could outsmart the market, get rich quick. Spoiler alert, I couldn't. Day trading is usually a mirage leading you to scammy courses and exclusive Discord groups. The truth? Long-term investing is where the real winners play. So, step away from the 15-monitor setup and get ready to put in some real work. Number 3. This is a lesson in patience. Waiting for a crash doesn't work. No crystal ball can predict market crashes, interest rates, or global pandemics. It's about time in the market, not timing the market. So, forget the crash obsession and focus on finding solid stocks within your circle of competence. Number 4. Not all brokers are created equal. Paying for brokerage isn't the devil's work. Think about it. Brokers need to make money. And if you're not paying, you might be the product. Zero-cost brokers often sell your order flow to market makers, making your trades more expensive. Do your research, and don't fall into the zero-cost trap. Number 5. The hardest thing about investing is the mindset. It's something I overlooked a lot. Despite countless books on mindset and patience, I didn't pay enough attention. Investing demands patience, the ability to distance yourself from emotions, and the mental strength to keep going over decades. Finding great companies isn't the challenge. It's having the patience to buy them at a discounted price and monitoring your investments over time. For new investors, my recommendation is to commit to at least a 10-year time frame. As Buffett wisely says, don't hold something for 10 minutes unless you're willing to hold it for 10 years. That mindset is what sets apart the best investors, and it's what the Billionaire Brainwave program really helped me with. So again, I'd highly recommend that, and I've linked it in the description for you. Number 6. If your stomach is turning, don't do it. If you're unsure or don't understand the business, just don't do it. Buffett's golden rule number 1 is to avoid losing money. Successful investing is about dodging losers as much as it is about hitting winners. Rushing into a position due to fear of missing out usually ends in painful losses. Stay close to what you know, and if something feels off, just walk away. Number 7. Don't cut the flowers. In investing, it's usually the 2 or 3 big winners that contribute most to your overall returns. Holding on to these winners is crucial. Buffett attributes his success to about 12 key winners out of hundreds of investments. The lesson here is to let the long-term compounders do their thing and resist the urge to sell prematurely. Number 8. The best 3 books to read when you're getting started with investing in stocks are Rule 1 by Phil Town, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, and The Dondo Investor by Monish Pabri. These books will give you a solid foundation, offering practical steps, mindset insights, and valuable philosophies to guide your investing journey. Number 9. 5 years is an incredibly short time in the stock market. Treat the initial years as a learning phase and don't expect crazy great results. Before buying, ask yourself if you'd be comfortable holding the investment for 10 years. Focus on the long term, as compounding takes time to show its magic. Number 10. It's really hard to beat the market consistently. Beating the S&P 500 is a tough game. Even the smartest investors struggle to consistently outperform. Consider passive investing strategies like dollar cost averaging, especially if you're new to the game. Dollar cost averaging is when you invest a set amount regularly over specific intervals regardless of the asset's price at that time. For example, You might invest $100 into a well-researched and chosen stock every month, regardless of price fluctuations. This can be a great way to reduce the impact of market volatility on your overall cost of investment. So those are the 10 things I wish I knew before I started investing. I really hope that this helps you have a great start in your investing journey. If you did find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe. See you next time.